Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off YouTube Shorts. Now, if Shorts are distracting you and you just prefer regular videos, let's go through what you can actually do. So first of all, you need to open your YouTube application on your device. Now over here on the home page itself, as you can see, it is showing me a separate section of Shorts that has 4 shorts available. Now here is important thing that you need to know that YouTube does not provide you a permanent disable shorts button, but there are a few simple workarounds that you can do. So one of the easiest method of basically get rid of the shorts from your home page is by hiding them manually. So whenever you see this type of clutter of shorts on the home page, just simply look for the 3 dots on the top right hand corner of the screen right next to shorts. Now when you tap on these shorts, you will see the option of show fewer shorts. So I want you to select this option. Now it will show that you are going to get very less shorts on the home page. So when you enable this setting, you just have to scroll to the up and then refresh your feed. Now as you can see, as I've refreshed my feed and I'm scrolling my feed again and again, and no short is showing to me on the home page because I have selected the option of show fewer shorts. So you can just simply select this method, and this way you can turn off YouTube Shorts very easily from the home page. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions regarding this tutorial, you can just simply ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.